Hey, what's good, fam? So we out here eating chicken wings. Um, Travis is better at this. Anyway, those were the buffalo, and these were the barbecue. Hi again, fam. Okay, so I don't know if this is fair, because it was the end of the night. They ran out of chicken wings. They didn't toss them in the souse. Um, but I'm just gonna be real with you. They're okay. Okay, so I figured I would do like a actual reaction, like a or what do you call it when you actually eat it live? So I'm not gonna like put it on camera because that's gross, but um, yeah. Hey, so bottom line, you know, if you want chicken wings and only chicken wings, you can do better.